Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. Your girl just slayed this wig. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, my hair not looking messed up, all right? It's cute. But this is like 4 or 5 day bedhead, nothing's going on, just like chilling, enjoying the bob life. But y'all know I love my wigs. So in this video, we are gonna be installing a wig, guys. So I am going to be braiding my hair back, applying my wig, and then styling my wig. I am taking my driver's license picture after like 16 years or so. I finally have to get a new picture. So therefore I need to do my hair and my makeup for my new picture. So I want to be looking slayed, you know? And I feel like I could have worn my natural hair and just like, you know, curled it, some soft curls, or even wand curled it. But then I was like, I got like a 32-inch wig. Stop playing. Let's do that. Let's get real dramatic on this picture, because when I was 16, I wasn't dramatic at all. I wore like micros on my picture, and this time I'm like, I'm finna do some big curls, bust down part down the middle, long hair, big lashes. Like, I'm giving a look. I'm serving a look on this driver's license this time because I got a second chance. So, you know, in 15 more years, I'd be like, okay, girl, I see the growth. I see it. No, seriously, y'all, seriously. We about to get started. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into sections and braid it. And I'm not about to do a bunch of braids, y'all, because this is only gonna be lasting for my driver's license photo. Like, I'm not trying to do nothing else. Okay, y'all, so I put on my cap. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Chi Hold spray. It's in the level 3. And then I'm gonna go in with some of my Got to Be Glued. And I also am gonna put a little bit of this tinted lace spray on here, and this is in the color medium brown. And then I'm gonna blow dry my cap, okay? So I'm gonna cut the ear tabs off my cap and I'll be right back. So like I told you guys, I'm not keeping this wig on for like a week. So I'm just doing this for my picture and I'm taking it right off. Because I've been enjoying my bob. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a cute picture tomorrow with the long hair, red bottoms. Long hair, red bottoms. Make sure you get some good scissors because you don't want to cut down on your hair, like your real hair. So don't do that. Okay, so this is my wig, y'all, that I'm gonna be using. And this is a closure wig. I'm just putting the little clips in the back, so when I put it on my head, it'll be perfect to fit. Okay, so because I'm using Got to Be Glued, I'm just putting this on my head first to see if it matches up good and to make sure that this blends in. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation from my brushes to kind of blend it. I'm gonna be running back and forth from my room to here because blow dryers is in my room and the kids are working, so I need to run back and forth. All right, so I'm gonna spray with the got to be glued, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna spray with this as well. This one dries very quickly, so I'm gonna make sure I'm in the center of my head. Because like I said, these have clips, but I'm not worried about the clips because this is coming off tomorrow. And if I wanted to do it that way, then I wouldn't have put the cap on. But I wanted to keep the cap on, so I'm not clipping anything. But it does have clips, so. And I'm just trying to get this where I need to have it before I wrap up my hair and then put on my headscarf and blow it. So hold on. This does have baby hairs already taken out, so that's gonna be easier for me. So you wanna hold this in place where you want it, and then you're gonna go blow dry your hair. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and I'm gonna come back. Okay, I feel like this is straight, so I'm gonna use some got to be glued just to hold it, and I'm gonna flat iron it once it's done drying. And I love using these little comb on the end of the edge brush, y'all, because it be getting everything. Okay, so I got to sit like this for a second, okay? I just feel like that helps my hair like lay down more, if that makes sense. Okay, so I am going to, like I said, tie up my hair and let it dry for a little bit. And I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna style my hair. Everything got to be laying down, okay? And this is a 4x4 closure wig, so like I said, you don't have to worry about anything on the sides if you don't want to do anything to it, because it's going to be covered up anyways. And this is body wave hair. I believe this is a 32 inch, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this should be dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my cap. Okay, I went ahead and brushed my hair so that it could be nice and furry. Okay, and I'm gonna just show you guys the length. My hair goes all the way down, okay? Just so you know how long it kind of is. So it is dry up here. I'm using my big curlers, and these are called Fusion. I got these a long time ago, y'all, but it pressed my hair so good at the top. Now I see why y'all be burning up the damn hair, because it's so crazy. Like, to try to do it in time. Goodness gracious. Okay, so that one's done. Now I'm gonna do this one. Y'all, I'm sorry, but my camera wants to be a brat today. I don't know why, but she just been doing her own thing, turning off, doing what she does, like she lives in this house rent free or something. Like, you need to work, camera. What you doing? Why you shutting off on me? Because I don't like that type of energy. No, seriously, y'all, she just shut off on me. Like, why would you do that, girl? Okay, all right, yeah, we did it right. I definitely want it to be a little more curled right here. So I'm gonna run it through again, but I'm only gonna run it through at the top though. Y'all, I remember on YouTube when there was a time that everybody was trying to learn how to do Kim K curls. Everybody was trying to learn how to do them curls. And I remember it was two girls that I used to follow. This was way back in the day. It had to be like 2011, 2012, something like that. But her name was Adriana. I think her name was like Adriana Thompson or Thomas. And it was another lady. She used to always do like quick weaves. Them two, YouTube game on lock. Like, they was pumping out videos all the time. And I was right there trying to learn how to do my hair. So this would be so cute if you had like a cute braid right here. Stop. Okay, so. And that was the thing. Everybody used to be like this, like with the roller set. Everybody. I think I had a roller set for my baby shower. Now that I think about it. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me putting on my wig for my driver's license photo. Like I said, this may stay on. I don't know, because it's giving a cute Barbie vibe. So I may keep this on longer and I will let you guys know if I do. If not, you will see me with my bob, because I was, like I said, loving the bob. The bob was giving a vibe. It was hot outside. It's easy to maintain. Wasn't giving me no problems, okay? Now, another thing is, this is so long, it's hot outside. So, it may come off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.